super hirap humanap ng isang capsule na meron ng ganun both ingredients dun sa capsule. I found my new best friend, like as a best friend. So this new best friend of mine was helping me to have collagen and ashwagandha at the same time. As we know, ashwagandha was really helping us to reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, this will help you like to have a better sleep. And do you know, ang mahal kaya humanap ng collagen na talagang effective sa skin natin. That gives us like, skin strength, elasticity, skin hydration. Like, super hirap humanap ng isang capsule na meron ng ganun both ingredients dun sa capsule. I'm gonna introduce to you my best friend. So, this is Nighty Bright from New Moon. Still from New Moon. So, suki talaga ako ng New Moon sa mga capsules nila. So, here guys, as you can see, nag-take ako ng Nighty Bright para matutulog na ako. And also, 1 capsule lang din yung tinitake ko kasi it's already enough for me. So, if you guys wanna check out some of these capsules that I've been using, you can check TikTok account of New Moon, Soft Glow, and Nighty Bright.